So there was fucking this black chick, right? Now don't even put that in there.
Don't start it like that.
No, that's not true.
Today we're playing a Palace guessing game.
Wait, what?
You are the contestant. Congratulations. Congratulations. There are gonna be 3 items, and you're gonna get the description because you know Palace descriptions are like funny, usually like
Yeah,
really
yeah.
wacky and stuff. But yeah, so there are gonna be 3 items,
Okay.
and I'm gonna give you a description, and you have to pick which item you think fits that description.
We can do that.
Yeah. I think there are like 7 different descriptions that you have to pick from. So I'll read the description, and if you could provide like a little bit of reasoning behind why you picked that. Yeah,
Too
exactly.
easy.
Dressing like you have a motorbike is greater than dressing like you have a push bike.
I don't know what a push bike is, but I bet you it's the one all the way to the right.
Why?
That looks like some OG Fox and Thor motorcycle-esque jersey that they used to wear.
Let's see if you are correct. Oh wait. Yeah.
Ah, nice.
So yeah, you are correct, and some of them, like actually a lot of them, are really easy, just because either the description like fits it really well, or else it's like impossible to guess because it's totally unrelated. But yeah, this is the P Racer top. So far I've been cutting back curry, but I still not lost any weight.
What is with British people and their love for Indian food? That's wild. 2, I think it is the middle one.
Why?
Shit, dude, I have no idea. This is not an easy one.
Yeah, but I mean, you're gonna make a choice. You gotta give some reasoning.
It looks like curry.
It looks like curry.
I don't know.
If anything, if that's what you're going off, I'd say the rightmost one looks like curry.
What if it's the one all the way to the left this whole time? I'm gonna final answer, middle one.
Middle one.
Let's go.
Alright, drum roll.
What?
It's the so far hood. Yeah, so it's very basic, and yeah. This was one of those ones where it's like, there's
You know
no
what?
chance you get it, but I just want to see like your reasoning behind whatever you pick.
Damn, that's some bullshit.
But yeah, I think curry's brown, and this is brown, so maybe you could have made the relation there. But yeah,
Okay.
Other than that, it was just kind of like, there's no way he was getting it. So I wonder what's healthier, a pot noodle or a McDonald's cheeseburger?
Dude, the culture is so different. What's a pot noodle?
Um,
Like little quick noodles that they put on a stovetop instead of the microwave?
Yeah, I think like ramen.
Okay. One all the way to the right.
All the way to the right, you said?
Yes.
Why now? What's your reasoning for this one now? Second time it showed up, it has to be it.
Yep, gotta double down.
Doubling down. All right.
Yep, there's
So-
no logical reasoning other than that.
Why is it not the first one? Why is it not the second one?
Not the first one because I know that's like the little Cupid angel thing that they used to have on chains.
Yeah.
Middle one, I bet you the description of that one is something like, hey, what happened to all those Greeks?
All right. So you're locking it in. You don't want to phone a friend or anything.
Nope.
Far right.
Far right, like your radical views. What? No!
Yeah. So this one, I don't know. Like, if you wanted to go for like some type of reasoning, it's got like body. Like it's got a body. He's like carrying it
Okay.
and stuff. You know, you could have been like, all right. What's healthier? Talking about body image.
Yeah,
So
of course, he's the ideal body image of every man. All right.
Yeah.
You know what? New tip for me is I'm going to look at the image.
So next one, build it and they will bun.
Okay, well, definitely the middle one.
Yeah. Why so?
There's a hammer, and that is the most standard and mandatory tool for any building things.
All right. So you're going with the middle one.
Let's go.
All right. Obviously.
Fuck,
Yeah.
dude. If I would have got that one wrong, this
It's
would have been a
titled-
very short video.
Simply titled hardware t-shirt. So that makes you 2 for 4.
All right, grades coming back.
Moving on. This is probably one of my favorite
Left.
descriptions I found.
No,
Would you rather have to listen to Skrillex for 2 weeks solid or run his haircut for 3 days solid and you can't wear caps or hoodies?
Far right.
Far right?
Yes. Why? Because both Skrillex music, hair, and that sweater thing, very loud.
So if I had to choose one,
Oh, okay? The dude who made the game.
I would probably choose the one on the right as well because it's very loud, just like Skrillex and stuff. And I feel like that like is even something you'd wear. But you're wrong. It's
What?
the Pete Fort hood.
Oh my.
This is just one of those random like misleading titles, which makes you 2 for 5. We got 2 more left.
Next slide, please.
A cold and fruity drink awaits us both.
Ooh. Easy. The one to the right. Why? Because a lot of UK fashion, very floral oriented. Big floral shirts, little blazer coat, on the way to crumpets and tea, and hating the Irish.
Crumpets and tea.
With that being said, I'm gonna go with the one with the right because it looks like something our boy you know, James Hammond may even wear.
All right, so locking it in.
Yep.
Fruity drink, far right.
Pushed.
You're 3 for 6.
Damn.
All right.
50-50.
This is the blurry flower shirt, and I'm actually not sure if this released yet. I think
That's actually kinda
I think
hot.
it did.
I would cop that.
All right, so 100% quantum next level Showerman materials.
The only time I've used the word quantum was playing Fallout. And so is that the quantum?
Nuka.
Yeah.
Is it Nuka Quantum?
Nuka-Cola Quantum.
Yeah.
You know,
The
so
blue one.
Yeah, it's a bright blue, like really fluorescent bright blue. So with that, I choose the one to the left. Psych, one in the middle because that's fucking bright as shit.
I actually accidentally revealed the answer to this one. But with that being said, I feel like there's something way more important to this description.
Showerman.
The Showerman materials, which easily cuts out the one on the left. And you said earlier the description for that one probably has something to do with grease. But then the middle one and the right one, I feel like the right one, maybe even more so,
Quantumish.
is more Showerman. That looks like a shower curtain, you know?
Oh, yeah.
That's what I thought. But yeah, no. This is the Quantum jacket, I believe, and it's the middle one. So Pertex Quantum jacket, which was kind of a cheat because he got it by me accidentally revealing it.
Not even.
So we're gonna give you a 3 out of 6, 50 for 50.
Okay, alright, I'll take it, whatever.
Came out even. But yeah, that's about it for the guessing video. Is there anything else you wanted to say?
Dude, this was actually a lot tougher than I expected.
Yeah. Well, they're just like, some of them are very easy, some of them are super hard. Do you ever play Big Game Hunter?
Mm-hmm.
I was over at my friend's house playing it. It was like 3rd or 4th grade probably. I was just sitting there, we're in the Arctic tundra, and I was just spinning around in circles. When you get a kill on Big Game Hunter, everything stops and it follows the bullet. Like, it zooms in on the bullet and then it goes and it like shows the kill all like very cinematic. I was just spinning in circles. And just randomly it started following the bullet and I sniped this polar bear. That was probably the highest point of my life.